Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are dreaming of a cozy garden nook or a porch that begs you to linger, today's video is for you. We're exploring wooden swing ideas from classic porch swings to sculptural garden seats that can transform any outdoor space into a relaxing retreat. Whether you are a DIY builder, a design enthusiast, or just someone who loves a lazy afternoon, these wooden swing concepts will spark your imagination, help you create your very own slice of serenity. Let's start with why wood remains the ultimate swing material. Timeless beauty. Wood brings warmth and natural character that blends seamlessly with gardens and porches. Strength and durability. Properly treated hardwoods like teak, cedar, or oak can withstand years of use. Customizable. From rustic logs to sleek modern panels, wood can match any design style. DIY friendly. You can build one yourself with basic tools and some weekend dedication. A wooden swing is more than a seat. It is an invitation to slow down. The porch swing is a beloved staple for a reason. Here are some timeless takes. Number 1. Traditional slat swing. Horizontal or vertical wooden slats, gently curved seat, and chain suspension. Painted white for a southern charm or stained for a rustic cabin feel. Adirondack style swing. Wide armrests and contoured back for ultimate comfort. A perfect match for farmhouse or lakeside porches. Number 3. Mission or craftsman swing. Square legs, vertical spindles, and rich wood stain for a sturdy architectural vibe. Number 4. Hanging daybed swing. Wider than a standard seat, it fits a twin mattress or thick cushions, ideal for napping or reading. If you don't have a porch, bring the swing into your garden. A framed freestanding swing. A simple wooden frame with a slat seat, easy to relocate as you landscape. Tree-hung swing bench. Secure ropes to a strong branch for a magical floating bench vibe. Pergola swing. Combine a swing with a pergola structure for shade and climbing plants like jasmine or wisteria. Double-sided swing. Build a circular frame with two seats facing each other for cozy conversation spots. Garden swings create a focal point and a natural gathering area. Want something beyond ordinary? Consider these creative options. Number 1. Minimalist floating swing. A clean rectangular seat with hidden cable supports for a sleek modern aesthetic. Number 2. Geometric frame swing. Use triangular or hexagonal supports for a sculptural look. Number 3. Cantilevered swing. Instead of overhead chains, suspend the swing from a side-mounted wooden arm for a bold architectural statement. Number 4. Hammock swing hybrid. Combine a wooden frame with a canvas or rope seat for a contemporary, lounge-worthy design. These swings double as functional art pieces. Once your swing is built, style it for maximum comfort. Plush cushions. Use weather-resistant fabrics for cozy yet durable seating. Throw pillows and blankets. Layer textures for a welcoming lounge-like atmosphere. Built-in cup holders. Integrate small side tables or armrests for drinks and books. Overhead canopy. Add shade with a wooden pergola roof, retractable awning, or even a simple fabric drape. String lights. Wrap soft fairy lights around chains or frames for magical evening ambience. Comfort is where design meets everyday joy. The type of wood you select affects longevity and style. Cedar, natural, resistant to insects and rot, lightweight yet sturdy. Teak, premium hardwood that ages beautifully into a silver patina. Pine, affordable and easy to work with, just seal it properly. Reclaimed pallet wood, eco-friendly with a rustic look, perfect for DIY builds. And there you have it, creative wooden swing ideas for your garden or porch. From classic slab benches to sculptural modern pieces and cozy daybed swings. Remember, a wooden swing isn't just furniture. It is a moment of pause, a place to laugh, dream, and soak in the simple beauty of life outdoors. So until next time, happy decorating.